Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English A. Today we are going to start unit 5, Amazing Planet. Before moving towards the lesson, let's have a look on learning outcomes. After completing this unit, you will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from topic, pictures, title and heading. Use critical thinking to respond to the text. Pronounce and practice common 3 consonant clusters. Use appropriate expressions in conversation. Apply punctuation rules. Classify common and proper nouns. Identify the common gender. Write a guided paragraph. Getting started. Look at the picture here. This one. Everyone is happy, having fun and enjoying the pleasant weather. When the weather stays for a certain period, it becomes a season of that particular area. These seasons or weather conditions make up the climate. Different seasons have different elements to be observed. Now let's move towards let's talk question answers. Let's talk. Where do you live and what type of climate does your area have? Give your answer. For example, I live in Lahore and the climate is arid and cold in winters and hot in summers. Try to answer it yourself. Which season do you like the most and why? Give the answer yourself. Do you go on vacation in summer? Is it the right season to stay home? Give the answer. Do you want to shift vacations to any other season? Why? As we have vacations in summer, do you want the vacations in winter or any other season? Give the answer yourself and also tell the reason why do you want that. I am the earth. Let's read the poem. Before moving towards the poem, let's have a look on the pre-reading questions. What is pollution? The answer of first pre-reading question is pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. Second question is, do you keep your school and home clean? Give the answer. Let's read the poem now. I am the earth, I am your home, but you destroy my skin and bone. But I forgive and I forget, and let you live, but I regret. Regret means repent. Do you realize I'm your only hope? So don't stand around and mope. I need saving, it's up to you. This is what I need you to do. The last stanza. No more plastic and no more waste, because I am fading at a fast pace. I need love and I need care, because you are polluting my air. Have a look on words meanings. Regret means repent, mope means move around, and pace means speed. Now let's move towards post-reading questions. The first question is, what is climate change? Its answer is, climate change describes a change in the average conditions such as temperature and rainfall in a region over a long period of time. The second question is, what are the reasons of climate change? And its answer is, burning fossil fuels such as oil, gas and coal and deforestation are the main reasons of climate change. Now read the poem again and learn and write question answers. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.